Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as I told you in my previous video that the Galaxy S25 series will soon receive a new One UI 8.5 beta update. Well, today it has finally started rolling out. Yes guys, the Galaxy S25 series has now receiving the One UI 8.5 beta 8 update, and this update is rolling out in supported countries, while in Indian users are getting beta 7. Obviously beta 1 was skipped for Indian users, so yeah, beta 7 is beta 8 for Indian users. So guys, if you are using a Samsung S25 series, just go to settings and check for the updates. You might receive One UI 8.5 beta update. Now let's talk about the update details. This update comes with the March security page update, which improved overall system security and stability. This update size is around 800 MB to 900, so it's pretty big update. Okay, it's not a 250 or 70 MB, it's almost 1 GB update. So now talking about the changelog, there are multiple improvements. Samsung has added a new story type features in the gallery. Camera quick view issue have been improved, especially for cloud video. Studio related bugs like safe resolution issue have also been fixed. Samsung has also improved notification flickering issue and fixed the bubble notification bugs. There was also an issue where the clock shortcut disappeared during the now brief, and that has also been fixed as well. Along with that, scrolling capture issues and file sharing problems with Galaxy Books device have also been improved. So overall, this update is mainly focused on bug fix and stability improvement. So if you have a S25 series and if you live in beta supported countries, now just go to settings and check for the update. You might see this 1 GB update. Now apart from this, we also have another update. The Galaxy Fold 7 has also now started receiving the One UI 8.5 beta 2 update. Yes guys, the Galaxy Fold 7 and Flip 7 has also started receiving the One UI 8.5 beta 2. The update size for Galaxy Z series also same as Galaxy S25 series is around 1 GB, and you can see the changelog. It comes with a March security page update, and you can take a screenshot or pause the video. You can read the changelog. Okay, so if you own a Galaxy Fold 7 series, then you can go to settings, and if you have joined the beta, you might see this update. Okay, so Galaxy S25 series got a One UI 8.5 beta 8, and Galaxy Fold 7 series has got beta 2. All right, so this was the news. So guys, if this video was helpful, please give it a like, and as I said, if you have a Samsung phone, do subscribe to this channel, because whenever there is a big news regarding updates, I always make a video and inform you guys. Whichever device you have, Samsung S25, S24, any Samsung models, this channel is good for you. Okay, thank you very much once again. Subscribe and like this video, and have a great day. Bye, take care.